3 steps into building an online business and getting clients on a consistent basis. Hi, my name is Rudo. I help coaches and consultants and service-based business owners get more traffic, more leads, and more sales online. So I'm going to be sharing with you 3 simple steps on how you can build your online businesses, because I like to break it down into just 3 simple ways where you can build your online business and get leads on a consistent basis. So the first part is to build the foundations. And with the foundations, I mean, you have to think of what's your offer. What is the solution you're providing, and for what problem are you providing for, and for whom has the problem? So you have to think who's your ideal clients and get to really know what's their problem that you're going to be solving, what's their frustrations, their desires, their dreams, and really get to know them, be really specific, and get to know what platform do they hang around on most of the time. And let's say if it's on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, you need to now then build your platform, build your presence on those platforms, and start producing content which engages them, sharing your message on how you can solve their problems, and start engaging with them on those platforms. So when you start doing that, you start building the relationship with them and start attracting some of your ideal clients. Then you need to build a funnel after that. And the funnel is just basically a way you can move your leads from getting to know you, build a relationship with them to the point where they get to like you, trust you, and get them to being your client at the end. So we'll choose a webinar funnel. So with the webinar funnel, you have to choose which webinar software you're going to be using, whether it's a Zoom or Webinar Jam, and then you have to set it all up, have your opt-in page, have the webinar, come up with a script, come up with the slides for that, and I do show those to the scripts and the webinars templates that you can use in building yours. And then from that, you can move them on to a call or move them on to a sales page where you can now sell your products or services, or invite them on a call where you can discuss their goals, and from there be able to walk them through the process of how you solve their problems and how you're going to help them, and do the sale on the call. And I do provide templates and a sales script that you can use to close your sale. So that's the funnel. You have to build that funnel and have your email follow-up sequence all set up, that it all working in the background for you, so you automate that whole process for you. So when you have the funnel set up and it's all ready, that's when now you go for the third part, which is, that's all 3. The third part is to drive traffic to the funnel. So now you have to now drive traffic. You have to decide on what kind of traffic are you going to be driving. I prefer to do ads because I like to speed up the process a little bit. Or you can do organic, but organic takes a long time and also takes a lot of work. So if you have the time to do it, for sure, that'll be another process where you do that. And I do share with you ways you can drive traffic organically using Facebook groups and all the stuff, right? Where you go there, you look for groups where your ideal clients hang in, and then you engage with them and then invite them to your page, and from there you walk them through the process, your funnel, and get to be your clients. Or you can do the Facebook ads or Instagram ads, where you now put the ads out on Facebook or Instagram, really know how to target your ideal clients, target those people you want to be able to help, and get them through your funnel into becoming clients. So those are the 3 steps that you have to take into building your business. And once it's all set up, most of it can be automated. So you just have to just drive traffic in there, and then you just get them all through building the relationship on the automation, and then they become your clients. So if you need any help with setting up all this, because I know sometimes it can be quite overwhelming, comment below. I'll put a link below also where you can get hold of me, and we can